So first of all, I want to thank you for attending our session on Tuesday. And second, I want to apologize for my blunder in this part of the presentation. So without further delay, let me finish the lesson about transitions and animations. So if you remember, we have our pictures of St. Philip's College set up and formatted. And the next thing we wanted to do was to demonstrate how to add transitions and animations to the presentation so that it would have a special effect if you were presenting the information about 4 particular areas of the campus. So let's get started. The first thing we would need to do is to give it an effect by using duplication of the slides. So my first step is to duplicate the slides several times. Let's do one. Let's do another. Let's do another. And let's do at least one more. So now we have at least 5 sets of the same slide. And while we're here, let's do one more. So we're going to proceed to the second slide where we're going to begin the transition and animation work. And so our next step is to add transitions to our slides. We'll start by clicking on the first slide, clicking on the transition menu, picking a transition, applying to all. This will allow a transition of fade for the entire deck of slides. Our next step is to add animation to the slides based on which one of the buildings we are presenting. So in order to do that, we'll need to click on each of the next 4 slides and add some special effects to it. So on this slide, we're going to start out by clicking on the slide. We're going to go to the picture tool. We're going to click on artistic effects, and we're going to blur out this particular picture. We're going to do the same thing with this particular picture. And once again, the same thing with this particular picture. Okay, we're only going to demonstrate this for one picture, but you can take the same effects for the rest of the pictures that we just duplicated. Next, we're going to highlight the main college sign picture. We're going to go to animations, and we're going to use the grow and shrink effect on this particular picture. And so in order for the animation to automatically take place when this slide is opened, we're going to change the animation order to after previous. And now we're going to test out our animation by clicking the slide just before the slide we just worked on. Click on the slideshow and click on from current slide. So now if we correctly set it up, when we click to go to the next slide, the main college sign picture should expand. And there you are, an opportunity to share about the main college sign. Hopefully this will be helpful to you as you work through presentations and try to add a little bit of PowerPoint pizzazz. Thank you.